In 2020, you have many real estate investment opportunity. This could be owning multiple affordable homes. This could be buying a plot, building it up, owning some of it, and leasing the rest of it. And the third and best way is commercial real estate, which is scalable, safe, secure. A small investor, whoever is planning to invest and create the first real estate investment for him, my recommendation is to go for commercial real estate. Owning a property which creates income per month gives you extra money and time to manage those property again. If you save the money the right way and if you manage the property the right way, you will be ready with more money to invest probably in a year or two. What I'm trying to recommend my investor is, if you invest in commercial real estate, which should be your first priority, this creates income which gives you more money to invest again, and this is scalable, so you can create an excellent real estate portfolio starting from the first property.